Hey guys, James from SIKKY Manufacturing. If you have an SC300, SC400, or an MK4 Supra, and you still have factory steering rack bushings, you might want to check out this simple upgrade to tighten up your steering and response. Let's take a closer look. This simple upgrade replaces the sloppy rubber bushings with CNC billet aluminum bushings for a tight, crisp, responsive steering feel. This kit comes with CNC billet aluminum bushings for a direct replacement of your factory rubber bushings. Over time, as your factory rubber bushings degrade, it can create a sloppy feel that limits your feedback through the steering wheel. These bushings make the steering crisp and responsive for a more enjoyable driving experience. To learn more about these bushings or see what else we make for the SC300, SC400, and Mark IV Supra, go to sikky.com or get in touch with one of our knowledgeable sales reps today.